So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you're going to expand HK local machine. Now you're going to expand software. Now you're going to expand policies. Now you're going to right click on policies and then click on new and then click on key. You want to call this key Google. Spell it with the same capital and lowercase and then click on enter. And then once you have the Google folder, you now want to right click on it and then click on new and then click on key. We're now going to call this Chrome and then click on enter. Now you want to make sure you're in the Chrome folder. And then once you're in this folder, for the second step, you now want to right click on the blank space and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. You now want to call this browser guest mode enabled. You want to use the same capitals and lowercase as I did and then click on enter. And then once you have this, you want to double click on it. Make sure that in the validator box, you have it set to 0. So in the validator, in this box right here, type in 0 and then click on OK. Now you just want to restart your computer and then you should be good to go.